Hello, my name is Roland
Walter. I work in the maintenance department here at the Rothaus Brewery. I'd like to show you how to check various pieces of equipment using the Testo 870 thermal imager. Here I'm checking the function of a steam trap. The steam trap is absolutely okay. If it wasn't okay, it would be just as warm on the right as it is on the left. That's why you can immediately see that there is no loss of steam. Here I'm checking a switching cabinet for defective components. Here you can see a very hot contactor. It has a temperature of over 80 degrees Celsius. The contactor urgently needs replacing before it fails completely and to eliminate the danger of fire. Here I'm checking a pump in the brew house. You can see clearly that one of the bearings is running very warm. This bearing, you can see it here, needs to be replaced soon so the pump can stay in operation. Here I'm checking a switching cabinet in the bottle cellar. Here too you can see a defective contactor. For preventive maintenance reasons, we need to replace it soon, so the plant can continue working without interruption.